Mabrika, everyone. I am Beike Florence from Coki Park in Aracabessa, Jamaica. Giving thanks plays a very important role in my everyday today life. Today, I am asking each one to give thanks for something that they find important in their lives. Something that you know that you could not do without. Today I give thanks for Atabe, Mother Earth, for all the goodness and all that she bears.
HAHOM BK. I am Casike Anasu'hura of Coki Yukayeke, and I would like to join in giving thanks today for my journey and all the experiences I have been afforded, for the protection of the ancestors, for family, friends, and for love. HAHOM.
Mabrika, everyone. This is Giles from Coki Yukayeke. I would like to give thanks to the ancestors for guiding us and the continued inspiration in our work to the children of Jamaica in learning more about the heritage and the history of the Taino people in the Caribbean.
I am thankful for my health, for the love of my husband and children, and I am very thankful for being Taino, Daka Taino.
I am thankful for family and friends.
I'm grateful that my children are happy. I have 3 beautiful, healthy, lovely, intelligent boys, so I'm grateful for them.
Thank you. I'm grateful for my child. I'm grateful for life and opportunity, ancestors and all. Blessed love.
So I'm grateful for mommy devices, Windows, God. I need to be grateful for God. And I'm grateful for pretty much everything.
Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone. I was asked the question, what are some of the things that I'm grateful for? Well, I'm grateful for life. I'm grateful that I know the Lord Jesus. And I'm just grateful to be happy, and I'm grateful to be alive. And that's what I'm grateful for. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Natalie Rochester. I'm grateful for creative expression, and when I express it, it's my gift to the world.
I am grateful to be able to teach somebody something every day on my daily life's journey.
I am grateful for family, friends, and fellowship.
Hi, I'm Vanessa KHORI-SALAZAR from Reach Academy, and I am always grateful for family, for friends, and especially for help.
I'm grateful for mothers.
And I'm grateful for sons. And we're grateful for generations.
I'm grateful for the following: family, friends, education, life, clean environment, diversity, science, knowledge, kindness, love, compassion, elderly, sustainable development, freedom, health.
So I was asked, what am I grateful for? Well, I'm grateful for the earth.
I give thanks that I'm able to live on a beautiful island. I'm able to grow my own food, eat my own food.
This is Boyd, aka DJ Boyd, and I have to tell you that I am very grateful every day, and I say my gratitude every day. And I will tell you what I'm grateful for: life, breath. I'm grateful for God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, my friends at the Taino Heritage Park.
I am grateful that I have been able to be an inspiration because I'm a teacher. So thank you so much for this opportunity to talk about my gratefulness, and have a wonderful day. Bye.